every single day of your incredible body. Just incredible. I relate to you so much because you sound just like me. I like get on the scale and I'm like, I hate you. And then I take a picture and I'm like, ugh. So I was gonna do a TikTok later. I'm gonna have a meeting. I'm gonna have a meeting today in my office with the mirror and the scale and the phone. We're gonna have a meeting. We're gonna have a discussion. You have to like, I seriously take pictures every single day to get my mind in what other people, how other people see me, because I do not see myself the way you see me, and you probably don't see yourself the way I see you. I did a TikTok last night that went viral, and there's people screaming that I have wrinkles, I had a tummy tuck, I have plastic surgery. Some people that were saying that I have too much muscle. One person said I was too skinny, and I'm like, what? You think I'm skinny? Like, for someone to think I'm skinny, I don't think I'm skinny. For someone to say I have too much muscle, I don't even see my muscle. I'm trying to get muscle, right? It's such a mind game because how other people see you is completely different than you see yourself. I mean, this video is at 700,000 views. It hasn't even been 24 hours, right? I mean, it is mind-blowing of what other people are saying about me. And it doesn't hurt me because I don't see myself the way they see me. They don't even know, the people who were hating on my video last night don't even know that I go live every single day to work out so other people who are sitting on their butts can work out. They don't even know that I have a free diet on my website. They don't know anything, right? They just see this one thing and then right away they're like, oh, you had a tummy tuck, oh, you had plastic surgery. And like, that's fine. The fact that people think these things of me because I don't see myself that way, I'm like, thank you for making my day. For someone to say I have too much muscle, I'm like, really? Yeah, thank you. Like, you know what I'm saying? This morning someone was like, you're too much. And I'm like, I'm too much? That's what my mom said when I was fat as a child, and she's made me feel I wasn't good enough. And now for someone to say I'm too much? Oh, like, really? That's awesome. So, I am constantly working on my mind. It is very difficult to do, so I completely relate to how you feel. I completely understand how you feel. And you know what? I would rather feel like other people had said that I'm obsessing over my body. Listen, I would rather obsess over my body. I would rather obsess over my health. I would rather obsess, I'm gonna start crying, over the scale than to stop everything and go back to the way I was 3 years ago, eating chips, eating candy, not exercising, and being miserable. Either way, we're miserable. We're miserable overweight, we're miserable obsessing when we're fit. There's no medium. There's no medium, right? There isn't. So obsess over whatever you want because someone obsesses over something every single day. Some people obsess over cars. Some people obsess over bags. Some people obsess over handbags. Some people obsess over their long nails. I mean, we're all human beings who obsess over something, but at the end of the day, it's whatever is up here, right? And you are beautiful and you look amazing, and I just want you to know that, and we're just gonna keep going. That's all. We're just gonna keep going. Right, you thought I was too much in the beginning too? Yes, Genevieve is here. Hey Dolce, good morning Juliana. You know what, my personality, yeah, it is too much. And you know what, you saw yesterday I have kidney disease, I have psoriasis, I have celiac disease. I'm an orphan. I lost my parents really young. I haven't even shared, I had a cyst removed from my left breast when I was 20 because they thought it was cancerous. I mean, I'm loud, whatever. I grew up in Russia. There's cultural differences and blah, blah, blah. I am who I am. And you know what? We are not going to change for anybody but ourselves, right? And at the end of the day, I'm extremely passionate for everyone to just do one burpee, okay? That's all. I'm just passionate for people to fight for their life and live. That's what this is about. There was another comment that said, I don't know why people obsess over their bodies because you just live and die. And I'm like, oh my God, can I hug you? I can't believe you feel that way, you know? So everybody's got something. So yes, and I'm definitely truthful. Thank you, Genevieve.